Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Create a Kaggle account to access datasets and API features. Then open your account settings to create an API token named Kaggle. JSON. Download that single JSON file to your computer for authentication. Install the official Kaggle CLI using pip install Kaggle on your machine or virtual environment. Move Kaggle JSON into the hidden folder // Kaggle for Linux or Mac OS. Finally set file permissions with chmod 600 // Kaggle/Kaggle JSON to keep credentials secure. Find the dataset slug on Kaggle and copy its owner/dataset identifier for the CLI. Run Kaggle datasets download d/owner/dataset to start the download process from your terminal. Add ppath to save files into a specific folder on disk. Use the optional unzip flag to extract compressed archives immediately after download. Monitor dataset sizes as you download. For example, a 1 GB dataset will require sufficient disk space. If bandwidth or quotas matter, download only the files you need. You can access Kaggle data programmatically inside notebooks or scripts for automation. In Python, import Kaggle API and call its authenticate method after placing Kaggle. JSON in the environment. Optionally set the environment variable Kaggle config dir to point to a custom folder with your token. From a notebook cell, you can run shell commands like Kaggle datasets download or Kaggle competitions download C competition name. Remember to respect competition rules and licenses when using dataset files in public.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.